welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ari J, that's J-A-Y, and in today's video it is actually my very first subscriber requested video in where I will be not only reviewing and unboxing this Felicia Leatherwood brush, but I'm also going to be comparing it to my Easy Detangler brush. So I don't know if you guys saw my review on this Easy Detangler brush where I compared it to my Tangle Teaser and my wide tooth comb. If not, I will have that video up in the information box at the top, and I will also have it at the very end of this video. All right, but before we start this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss another upload. Because like I always say, I will be uploading many more videos and you do not want to miss those. With that being said, let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so as you can see, my hair is drenching wet because I just finished using this Creme of Nature apple cider vinegar clarifying rinse. It helps get rid of product buildup in your scalp and on your hair strand. So I thought it was a perfect time to use this brush because when I was reading the box, it doesn't give you any directions on how you should use the brush, which I love because everybody detangles their hair differently, but for the most part, you know, we all know how to detangle our hair. So I love that this box didn't come with instructions telling you how to use it. But it did say that they recommend using it with your favorite conditioner. And after using that rinse, I need to condition my hair. So I thought it was perfect to go ahead and review this brush right now while I have some time. So we're gonna start by looking at this box. Before I unbox it, it does tell you like why you need this brush. It says that it's perfect for detangling all textures of hair, helps detangle hair with ease, makes your hair more manageable and defines curls, coils, and kinks. Works best with your favorite conditioner, aids in avoiding unnecessary hair shedding by flexing and bending with each curl, and it's easy to clean after use, which y'all know we love because don't nobody want to be digging in their brush trying to get hair out for weeks, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Right. So the brush is out the pack, done with that. So on the back it just says Felicia Leatherwood Detangling Brush. It's a very wide handle, like I literally am using my whole hand to grip this with barely any overlap. Loose bristles, not as loose as this brush's bristles, which I think is gonna work to his advantage, honestly. That's about it. It's blue because y'all know all my tools are blue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my Easy Detangling brush because I already did a review on that. So let's get that out the way so you guys can see how that works. And then we'll get into using the Felicia Leatherwood brush, and then I will let you guys know the pros and cons of each one of those brushes up against each other. All right, let's get started. The conditioner I'm going to be using is the Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Conditioner by Creme of Nature, because y'all know I love Creme of Nature. For those of us that need more than a dime-sized amount, just gonna rub that in. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how this Easy Detangler brush works, starting from the ends and working my way up. All right, so that is fully detangled, guys. Didn't take long at all, as usual with this brush. And got the curls popping. I'm going to go ahead and clip that back up. And then we're going to do the same thing with this back section. Still using the Easy Detangler brush. More conditioner. All right, and that's detangled. Quick and easy. So hopefully this Felicia Leatherwood brush is either just as fast or even faster than that Easy Detangler brush, because that brush is real quick on the detangle. All right, so more conditioner on this side, and then we're gonna do this entire side with the Felicia Leatherwood brush to see how that works. And I purposely gave the Felicia Leatherwood brush the thicker side of my hair because it said it works with all textures, so we're gonna really put it to the test. So let's see what this Felicia Leatherwood brush is all about. Okay. Okay. All right, so this section is detangled. It definitely detangles. So it is a detangler. Case closed. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this last section in the back before I give you guys my review on these brushes compared to each other. Let's try that again. Let me turn this way so y'all can see that. Can y'all see? Oh my God, yes. Yeah. This brush. Oh Lord. This brush. That's detangled. Oh my God, I wish y'all could feel the way that brush was scratching my scalp. Like the... Okay, let me go ahead and clip this up. That felt so good. Okay guys, now that I'm letting my conditioner sit for a little bit before I rinse it out, let's go ahead and talk about both of these brushes and compare and contrast them to each other. First, I'm going to start with this Easy Detangler brush because I already did a review on it. Some of you guys already saw it. So let's just go ahead and get this one out the way. Like I said in the last video, this brush is definitely a step in the right direction when it comes to detanglers. Like the grip it gives you down here on this handle is perfect for if you're a type of person that washes and detangles your hair in the shower. Like, this brush ain't going nowhere. I've used this brush in the shower and it's going nowhere. Okay, like, this is some grip. Also, the fact that these bristles are so widely spread helps with the fact that I have thicker hair, so it moves easily through my hair, and it's not like a one size fits all brush. If you have thinner hair, you know, you can move this up and the bristles get pushed closer together to fit your type of hair texture. So I love that. I would say that without this little thing holding these bristles together, I would not love this brush as much, because I don't like the whole moving bristle thing. It just moved way, like, the bristles are way too, let me actually take it off. Like, the bristles just move way, like, look at that. The bristles just move way too much on their own for me to actually enjoy detangling my hair with this, because I feel like it's moving where I'm not telling it to. I can't control what I want to detangle and when I want to detangle it, you know? I just feel like it's going to cause more breakage this way than it does when this is on here, keeping them all together and uniformed. So that's the only con I have with this brush, is that, you know, without this, I would not use this brush at all. Now let's get into this Felicia Leatherwood brush. This brush also has the kind of loose, you know, bristle formula, but it's not as loose as the this brush. You know, it doesn't have the thing that connects them to keep them together. You know, it just doesn't move as much, which I enjoyed a lot more when detangling my hair, because like I said, I can control what I did and when I did it, you know. But it still has some movement to it, to where it wasn't yanking my hair out. It was moving with my curls, which was wonderful, honestly. Grip wise, there is none. I dropped the brush, as you guys saw. Yeah, so the thick handle part is actually a step in the right direction. Like, I love that it has this, because when I'm actually detangling my hair, this much grip, having this much of my hand around the brush, gives me a lot more control. But I would say that just to up it a little bit more, I would like to see some grip on here, so that I could, like, I wouldn't use this if I were in the shower, because I would just be losing it all over the place. So with some grip, that would just make this brush pretty much perfect. The other thing I can say is this brush did struggle a little bit to get through the front section of my hair. I don't know if you guys saw that, but my hair is thicker on this right side, and this brush actually struggled a little bit to get through all of my hair, which I think is because it is a one size fits all kind of brush. You know, with this one, you can kind of pick whether you want thin hair or thick hair, but with this one, you just get what you get. And like, when I first started combing it, it struggled to get through the thicker parts of my hair, but once I got through those parts, it was perfect, you know. In the back, it scratched my scalp, it massaged my scalp. I love that, love that in a brush, because I love scalp massages. I don't know about y'all, but I love scalp massages. So if I can do that myself, you know, that's wonderful. So yeah, this brush is definitely, I would say Felicia Leatherwood did a really good job in designing this brush. The only thing I would recommend is that it not be one size fits all, and that it have some grip on here when using it in like a wetter situation, especially if on the box it says that she recommends you use it with conditioner when conditioning your hair. Usually when I'm conditioning my hair, I'm over a sink and my hair is a lot wetter than it is right now sitting in this chair. So I would need more grip for that to actually work for me. Okay? So when it comes to both of those brushes, I would not say that one is better than the other. If I had to say that one was better than the other, I would definitely go reaching for my Easy Detangler brush before I would the Felicia Leatherwood brush, only because when I detangle my hair, I'm detangling it wet. I'm detangling it while I'm conditioning and washing my hair. So I need that grip. I need to be able to not lose my brush while I'm doing my hair, which is a big reason why I don't use my tangle teaser and my wide tooth comb, because I lose that brush and comb all the time when I'm doing my, like, it's just flying out of my hand, and I don't need that. That's just adding more time onto my wash day, because now I have to disinfect my brush because it hit the hair, it hit the floor, got dog hair all up, you know. So I would reach for the Easy Detangler brush before I would the Felicia Leatherwood brush in a wetter situation. If I was styling my hair, just using like curl cream and gel, I would definitely, this is definitely what I would reach for, because of the wide grip it has on. All right, guys, so with that being said, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.